Dedication to duty, determination, and heroism. These are the characteristics that defined the heavy bomber crewmen of the Second World War. Facing tremendous challenges, these men, many fresh from high school, took to the sky time and time again to strike key targets throughout Europe and the Pacific. After witnessing the carnage of trench warfare that defined World War I, airmen posited that there must be a better way to attain victory. Leaders such as Ira Eaker, Frank Andrews, and Hap Arnold argued that air power must be the backbone of any successful future strategy. Empowering the services to look past the tactical battlefront and focus on strategic targets. After the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, it was time to put these theories into practice. Flying their B-17s and B-24s from bases in England, North Africa, the Mediterranean, the Central and Southwest Pacific, and even out of Alaska, these airmen set out destroying enemy centers of gravity, factories, logistic hubs, and petroleum supplies. These efforts were later enhanced with the arrival of the highly capable B-29 Superfortress, a technological achievement for the era. The bomber crewmen experienced staggering casualties. In fact, the 8th Air Force alone suffered 26,000 combat fatalities in just 31 months, more losses than the entire U.S. Marine Corps experienced during the entire war. Across all the wartime theaters, the bomber crewmen suffered 100,000 casualties. Even if these young aviators survived the onslaught of enemy flak and fighters, they still had to endure the physical demands involved with flying at altitude in sub-zero conditions on missions whose duration regularly exceeded 12 hours, the roar of the engines, and the stress of combat dominating everything. While these missions were extremely demanding, they were successful. Between 1941 and 1945, Army Air Force crews flew over 100,000 strategic bombing raids. Much credit is due to the industrial base of the United States, which built nearly 13,000 B-17s, 18,000 B-24s, and 4,000 B-29s. The hundreds of thousands of missions had an unquestionably profound effect on the Axis powers, dramatically degrading their ability to fight and ultimately bringing a conclusion to the war with the dropping of the 2 atomic bombs. The accomplishments of the heavy bombardment crews of World War II subsequently paved the way for the creation of the Independent Air Force in 1947. Their legacy lives on today, with precision strategic strikes standing as a cornerstone of Air Force doctrine. We owe these individuals our most sincere gratitude. Their efforts truly helped turn the tide in a war where everything was on the line. Through their dedication and sacrifice, freedom triumphed.